Boost your morning with high-protein breakfast. Consuming carbs in the morning results in your body converting them into glucose, which is a type of sugar. This leads to a rise in your blood sugar levels. While you might feel a quick surge of energy initially, your energy often dips sharply a few hours afterward, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Carbohydrates cause your blood sugar to spike. Additionally, an often overlooked effect is how carbs can impair mental clarity, sometimes leading to a state of brain fog. Protein plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle health. Including plenty of protein in your breakfast supports muscle preservation and growth. The more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism becomes, leading to increased calorie burn even at rest. This helps in maintaining a healthy weight more effortlessly, as your body expends more energy simply by functioning. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your thoughts on medicinal herbs in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about medicinal plants and their applications, be sure to check out my other videos.